Welcome to Canvas Online Discussions, Design Strategies and Essentials. In this portion, we will be discussing using the Discussions Index page. The Canvas Discussions Index page shows all discussions created by the instructor. Within this index page, discussions can be categorized into 3 sections: pinned discussions, regular discussions, and those that are closed for comment. Pinned discussions allows for instructors to pin a discussion where it will then live in the top pane for ease of reference. The second pane is a general discussion pane where all created discussions appear in order of recent activity. The third and final pane allows for instructors to close discussions for comment. Discussions in this pane are still visible to students, but new comments cannot be made. Instructors can drag and drop any discussion by selecting the 8-pack to the left into the various category panes. Additionally, you can use the options icon or the 3 vertical dots or kebab to the right to access more options such as close for comments, pin or unpin, duplicate, send to, copy to, share to comments, or delete. Additionally, you can subscribe to discussions. Similar to subscribing to discussions in Blackboard, instructors and students can select the bookmark icon to subscribe to a discussion. This will push notifications of new comments made to the user. You will know that you are subscribed to a discussion if the bookmark is green. When you create a discussion, you are automatically subscribed to that discussion. Finally, you can use Student View to check out how a discussion will appear to students. At the top of your screen, the glasses icon next to the term Student View will allow for you to see what your students will see. As you can see here, I only had one discussion published, so that's all that can be seen. In order for you to check the settings, you will need to publish the discussion. If you are not ready for students to participate in a discussion, remember to unpublish it after ending or leaving Student View. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.